Hey everyone, welcome back to the English Duo podcast. My name is Sarah, and I'm so happy you're here with us today.
And hey guys, I'm Daniel. It's great to see you again. Well, I can't see you, but you know what I mean. I can feel your energy through the screen.
Yeah, we feel you. So today we have a very helpful lesson, a real life topic, something everyone needs at some point.
Yup. Today we're talking about doctor visits. Dun dun dun.
Oh, stop. It's not scary.
You're right. It just sounds scary. But don't worry. We're going to make it easy, friendly, and even a little fun.
We'll talk slowly, we'll use simple English, and we'll share natural conversations you can use in real life.
All right, let's get started.
So, Daniel, how are you feeling today?
Well, my body is good. My mind is about halfway awake. My heart, always hungry.
Stop. Always hungry, really?
Oh, yeah. This morning I woke up and thought, I should exercise. Then my stomach said, no, eat pancakes.
Your stomach is always the boss.
Oh, yes. My stomach is the CEO of my life.
Well, I feel pretty good today, except I slept a little late last night. So my eyes are like, hello.
Yeah, you look a little tired, but still amazing.
Oh, thank you. But yeah, sometimes when I'm tired, my head hurts a little.
Same. And that is exactly why doctor visits are important.
Yes, because sometimes your body talks to you. It says, hey, something feels weird, and you should listen.
Exactly. And that's why today we're going to help you learn English for doctor visits.
So, Daniel, when was the last time you went to the doctor?
Oh boy. Okay. I have a story.
Ooh, story time.
Yes. So, about 6 months ago, I went to the doctor because I had a really bad sore throat. It felt like swallowing fire. Not fun.
Ouch. That sounds painful.
Yeah. So I went to the clinic and the nurse said, "Hello, what brings you in today?" And I said, "My throat feels like the sun. Please help."
You did not say that.
Okay. I didn't say that. I said, "I have a sore throat. It hurts when I swallow." But in my mind, it was like fire.
And what did the doctor say?
He looked in my mouth and said, "Yep, you've got an infection." Then he gave me medicine and I got better.
That's good. See? Doctors are helpful.
But the conversation can be confusing if English isn't your first language.
Exactly. So let's teach our learners how to talk at the doctor step by step.
Okay, Let's pretend you walk into a doctor's office. The first person you see is usually the receptionist. She says,
Hi, how can I help you today?
"Hi, I have an appointment at 2 p.m.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Daniel Carter."
Great. Please take a seat. The doctor will see you soon.
And that's it. Very simple.
Yes. But if you don't have an appointment, you can say, Do you have an appointment?
No, I don't. I'm a walk-in. Or, no, I don't. I just need to see a doctor.
Next, the nurse calls your name. Daniel? Daniel Carter?
Yep, that's me.
Okay, please follow me.
Then the nurse usually asks,
What seems to be the problem today?
I have a headache. I feel tired. My throat hurts. My stomach feels bad. I feel dizzy.
You don't need long sentences. Simple is perfect.
Okay, Sarah, you be the doctor.
Hello, I'm Dr. Miller. What brings you in today?
Hi, doctor. I don't feel well. My head hurts. I started feeling bad last night. I feel weak. I think I have a fever.
Okay, let me ask you a few questions. How long have you felt like this? Do you have a cough? Any allergies? Are you taking any medicine?
I felt like this for 2 days. Yes, I have a small cough. No allergies. I'm not taking any medicine.
Perfect. Short answers, clear, easy. Dialogue 4. Common doctor phrases.
The doctor might say things like, please breathe deeply. Take a deep breath. Say, ah. I'm going to check your heartbeat. I'm checking your temperature. This might feel cold. This may hurt a little. Try to relax. I never relax. The moment they say, try to relax, my brain goes, nope.
Yes, same here. When the doctor says, this won't hurt, I get scared.
Exactly. But usually it's not bad at all.
Dialogue 5. The doctor explains the problem. Okay, Daniel, you have a small infection. Or you have a cold. You have the flu. You have a stomach virus. You're dehydrated. You're stressed and need rest.
Okay, what should I do?
I'll give you some medicine. Drink lots of water. Rest for 2 days. Don't worry, you'll be fine.
And usually you will be fine. Sometimes your body just needs a little help.
Dialogue 6. Pharmacy conversation. After the doctor visit, you might go to the pharmacy. The pharmacist could say, Hi, can I help you?
Yes, I need to pick up my prescription.
Can I have your name, please?
Daniel Carter.
Then they give you your medicine and tell you how to take it. Take 1 pill in the morning. Take 2 pills a day. Take with food. Don't take on an empty stomach. Drink lots of water.
You know, Sarah, doctor visits can be scary for people.
Yeah, especially when you're in a new country or using a new language.
Exactly. It's hard when you don't know the words or when you're sick and everything feels confusing.
But here's the thing. You're not alone. Everyone feels scared sometimes, even us.
Yeah, I get nervous before doctor visits too. But you know what helps?
What?
Understanding. Knowing simple phrases. Knowing what to expect. It gives you power. Confidence.
Exactly. And that's why we're here. To help you feel strong, prepared, ready. Okay, let's do one full example. A complete story.
Yes, a simple, slow, natural story.
One morning, Daniel wakes up. He feels tired. He feels hot. His throat hurts.
Oh no, I don't feel good.
He drinks water. He rests. But he still feels bad. So he decides to go to the doctor. At the front desk, Sarah, receptionist. Hi, how can I help you?
Hi, I'm not feeling well. I'd like to see a doctor.
Okay, what's your name?
Daniel Carter?
With the nurse. Sarah, nurse. What seems to be the problem?
My throat hurts. I feel tired.
Okay, follow me. With the doctor. Sarah, doctor. Hello, Daniel. What's going on today?
My throat hurts. It hurts a lot when I swallow.
Let me take a look. Please say, ah. You have a small infection. I'll give you medicine. You'll be okay in a few days.
Thank you, doctor.
At the pharmacy. Sarah, pharmacist. Hi, can I help you?
Yes, I need to pick up my prescription.
Here you go. Take 1 pill twice a day.
Thank you.
And after 2 days, Daniel feels better. Life is good again.
So, what did we learn today?
We learned how to talk to the receptionist, the nurse, the doctor, and the pharmacist.
And we learned simple phrases to explain how we feel.
Remember, your health matters. And your words matter too.
Yes. And you are doing an amazing job learning English.
We're proud of you.
Really proud.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and take care of your body
and your heart and your stomach. Whisper, feed it pancakes.
Okay, everyone. Thank you for being here.
We'll see